Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Excel let function. This powerful function allows you to assign names to calculation results, making your formulas easier to read and manage. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand the syntax of the let function. The name1 is the name for the first value or calculation. The name_value1 is the value or calculation for name1. Additional names and values can be added as needed. The final calculation uses the named values. Open your Excel workbook and select the sheet where you want to use the let function. For this example, we have data in cells A1, B1, and C1. Choose the cell where you want the result of the let function to appear. We'll use cell E1. Enter the let formula. Here's the formula to calculate the sum of cells A1, B1, and C1, and then divide by 3 to get the average. This formula calculates the average of cells A1, B1, and C1. Press Enter. The result will be the average of cells A1, B1, and C1. Here's a breakdown of this formula. Sum is the name of the first variable. In this formula, A1 plus B1 plus C1 is the calculation assigned to sum. This means that sum will hold the result of adding the values of cells A1, B1, and C1. Average is the name of the second variable. Sum/3 is the calculation assigned to average. This means that average will hold the result of dividing sum by 3. Average is the final result of the let function. The formula returns the value of average, which is the average of the values in cells A1, B1, and C1. Let's break down a formula where we use the let function with multiple names and values. In the formula displayed, the x is the name of the first variable and A1 is the value assigned to x. This means that wherever x is used in the formula, it will be replaced by the value of cell A1. Y is the name of the second variable and B1 is the value assigned to y. This means that wherever y is used in the formula, it will be replaced by the value of cell B1. Z is the name of the third variable. C1 is the value assigned to z. This means that wherever z is used in the formula, it will be replaced by the value of cell C1. Sum is the name of the fourth variable. X plus y plus z is the calculation assigned to sum. This means that sum will hold the result of adding the values of x, y, and z, which are A1, B1, and C1 respectively. Average is the name of the fifth variable. Sum/3 is the calculation assigned to average. This means that average will hold the result of dividing sum by 3. Average is the final result of the let function. The formula returns the value of average, which is the average of the values in cells A1, B1, and C1. This formula uses multiple names and values to calculate the average. Practical examples include calculating compound interest. For example, we can use the formula displayed to calculate the interest amount after 10 years with a principal of 1,000 and an interest rate of 5%. Another practical use is to simplify a complex formula. Use the formula listed below to simplify a complex formula by breaking it down into parts. And that's it. You now know how to use the let function in Excel to efficiently manage and simplify your formulas. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.